Welcome to the Everyday experience. Let's start improving your GPA and SAT score in just 10 minutes today. Today we'll talk about studying for the SAT. What you see here is no mere SAT study plan. It took a team with 16,000 hours of tutoring experience to scientifically break down every single publicly available SAT test and distill that knowledge into the exact skills that students need to learn. The result? Students who go through our system see on average a 200-point increase on their SAT score in under 2 months. Here is how the system works. You log in and select your goal for the day. You can do as many challenges as you want, but setting a goal will help you stay motivated. Then you select a course. Today we'll pick SAT Math. Now boom! You see that magical study journey I showed you at the beginning? This experience is personalized based on your goal score and exam date. We have organized the study journey to focus on the most foundational skills first, but you're free to complete challenges in any order or focus on any particular topic. For example, I want to start improving my probability skills. You can watch a short video introducing the lesson, or we can get crazy and directly dive deep into the challenge. The challenge has 5 questions. After each question you answer, you'll get a detailed step-by-step explanation with traps to avoid and tips to get to the right answer. These are premium quality solutions, you won't find this anywhere else. You will also notice that between academic questions we have fun extra credit questions. Students love these, they keep you motivated to learn, but they're not only here for fun. Behind the scenes there is brain psychology going on. Those little gaps between academic questions help students retain information through spaced repetition. In short, they help students learn faster, which is why we did it. I finished the challenge and my goal for the day. I can continue or go back to the dashboard. Now here I can choose to review the questions I did wrong and see how well I'm doing on my readiness score. This predicts how ready I am to get the score I want on exam day. The streaks and leaderboard add a gamification element to keep you pushing more. Every week, the student with the highest amount of points for that week earns a $10 gift card. The more you learn, the more you earn. Now, if you're a parent or a teacher, we have a little bonus for you. You'll receive your own personal dashboard where you can see the progress of your student, the number of challenges they do each week, their study time, how ready they are, and how accurately they answer each of the main skills they need to learn. If you need any help, we're always here. Enjoy your everyday experience.